Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine. So, are you all ready for today's class? Yes. So, we have completed the lesson in the last class, isn't it? So, today let's recall some of the important points from the lesson. Okay? And then we'll do the book back exercises. Okay, children? So what we have learnt in the lesson? So we have learnt what is organ and what are the sense organs and their uses, and then what is an organ system. Yes, and we have learnt about some 7 organ systems of our body briefly, isn't it? So let's recall some of the points, important points, okay, and then we'll do the book back exercises. Okay, so the first point, the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organs through which we know about the world around us. So we know about the world through these 5 sense organs. Okay. The second point is a group of organs in the body working together to do an important job is called an organ system. Okay, what is an organ system? A group of organs in the body working together to do an important job is called an organ system. Okay, then what are the organ systems we have learned? So we have learned 7 organ systems. Okay, see, the main organ systems are the skeletal system, the muscular system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, the reproductive system and the nervous system. So these are the 7 nervous systems we have learned. Yes, the main organ systems are the skeletal system, the muscular system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, the reproductive system and the nervous system. Yes. So among these, which one is the main organ system? It is the nervous system, isn't it? It is the main important organ system. Okay. See, the skeletal system gives shape to the body, protects the organs and helps in movement. So the skeletal system gives shape to the body, protects the organs and helps in movement. Okay. The next organ system is muscular system. The muscular system helps in moving body parts. The muscular system helps in moving body parts. Okay. Next one is the digestive system. So the digestive system helps in digesting food. The digestive system helps in digesting food. Next one is respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The respiratory system helps us take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay. Next one, the circulatory system helps to carry blood to all parts of the body. The circulatory system helps to carry blood to all parts of the body. Okay. Next one, the excretory system helps in throwing out waste from the body. The excretory system helps in throwing out waste from the body like urine, sweat. Yes. The next one, the reproductive system helps in producing babies. The reproductive system helps in producing babies. The next one, important one, the nervous system controls all parts of the body. The nervous system controls all parts of the body. Okay, these are the important points we have learnt already in the lesson. Okay, so now let's do the book back exercises. Okay, so are you all ready to answer the questions? Yes? Okay. See the first one, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. First question is, which of these is a sense organ? Which of these is a sense organ? The options are eye, ear, tongue, all of this. Eye, ear, tongue, all of these. So which one is the sense organ? The option is all of these, isn't it? Because eye, ear, tongue, so all the three are sense organs, isn't it? So the answer is all of these. Okay. The next question is, which of these organ systems protects the soft organs of the body? Which of these organ systems protects the soft organs of the body? The options are the digestive system, the muscular system, the skeletal system, the respiratory system. Which one is correct? The skeletal system. The skeletal system. Okay. The answer is the skeletal system. Okay. Third one. Which of these is a function of the respiratory system? Which of these is a function of the respiratory system? The options are moving a body part, giving shape to the body, taking in oxygen, producing babies. Options are moving a body part, giving shape to the body, taking in oxygen, producing babies. So which one is correct? So moving a body part? No, isn't it? Giving shape to the body? The skeletal system. Taking in oxygen. Yes, it is the function of respiratory system. So the answer is taking in oxygen. Okay. Fourth question. Which of these materials is carried through the human body? Which of these materials is carried through the human body? Options are oxygen, digested food, carbon dioxide, all of these. Oxygen, digested food, carbon dioxide, all of these. Which one is correct? All the above, isn't it? Yes, because oxygen, digested food and carbon dioxide, all these are carried throughout the body by the blood, isn't it? So the answer is all of these. Okay. Fifth one. Which of these organs controls all the systems in the body? Which of these organs controls all the systems in the body? Options are heart, kidney, brain, lung. Heart, kidney, brain, lung. So which organ controls all the systems in the body? Heart? No. It pumps the blood throughout the body, isn't it? Kidney? No. It throws out the waste as urine, isn't it? Brain? Yes. Brain controls all the organ systems in the body. So the answer is brain. Okay. The next one is match the words in the two columns. Match the words in the two columns. So we are going to match. Okay. See, column A. In column A, what are they? Digestive system. Second one is respiratory system. Third one is circulatory system. Fourth one is excretory system. Fifth one is nervous system. Okay, in column B, A, kidneys. B, small intestine. C, nerves. D, windpipe. E, blood vessels. Okay, so now we are going to match. Okay, match the organ system with their uses. Okay, so we are going to match column A and column B. See the first one, digestive system. Digestive system. So digestive system. So which one comes here in column B? Kidneys? No. Small intestine, isn't it? Small intestine. So here 1. Okay. Respiratory system. Kidneys? No. Nerves? No. Windpipe? Yes, because the air goes through the windpipe, isn't it? So, for respiratory system, here windpipe. So, 2. The next one is circulatory system. Circulatory system. Kidneys? No. Nerves? No. Blood vessels? Yes, because blood carries oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body. So circulatory system, so here 3 comes. Okay. Fourth one, excretory system. So in excretory system, which organ comes? Kidneys, isn't it? Kidneys. So 4. The next one is nervous system. Nervous system. So nerves. Yeah, 5. Okay. So clear, children? So shall we do once again? Okay, digestive system. Which organ involves in digestive system? Small intestine, isn't it? So small intestine. Respiratory system. So which organ involves in respiratory system? Windpipe, isn't it? Because air goes through windpipe to lungs. So here 2. Okay. The next one is circulatory system. So which one comes under circulatory system? Blood vessels. Okay. Fourth one is excretory system. Excretory system. So which organ involves in this system? Involved in the system? Kidneys, isn't it? So 4. Nervous system. It is nerves. Have you all understood, children? Yes. So next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first question, the 5 sense organs are, what are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, isn't it? So shall we write those 5 sense organs? First one is eye. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So these are the 5 sense organs, isn't it? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay. See the second question. The dash move the bones by pulling at them. The dash move the bones by pulling at them. We have learnt in the muscular system, isn't it? So some of the muscles attached to the bones, and these muscles move the bones by pulling at them, isn't it? So the muscles, okay, muscles, muscles, okay. The muscles move the bones by pulling at them, okay. The next one, third one, air enters the body through the dash. Air enters the body through the dash. Nose, isn't it? Air enters the body through the nose. Okay. Air enters the body through the nose. Fourth one, the heart pumps dash through the body. The heart pumps dash through the body. Think and answer me. The heart pumps some fluid, isn't it? It is in red color. So what is the name? Blood, isn't it? The heart pumps blood through the body. Okay. Fifth one, the dash keep your blood clean by throwing out urine. The dash keep your blood clean by throwing out urine. So which organ keep your blood clean? Kidneys, isn't it? The kidneys. The kidneys keep your blood clean by throwing out urine. Okay. So the next one is, which organ is used? Which organ is used to sense the following? Which organ is used to sense the following? Okay. So which sense organ is used? For that we are going to answer. Okay. See the first question. The color of an apple. The color of an apple. So which sense organ is used here? So which sense organ can we can use? Eyes, isn't it? So we see the apple and we can find out the color of an apple by our eyes, isn't it? So eyes. Okay. The second one, the music on the radio. Which sense organ can be used here? Through which sense organ we hear? Ears, isn't it? So the music on the radio is ears. Okay. The next one, third one, The smell of food. The smell of food. So, through which sense organ we can smell? Nose, isn't it? So, here nose is used, isn't it? Fourth one, the taste of medicine. The taste of medicine. So, we can taste the food or medicine by which sense organ? Tongue, isn't it? So, here tongue is used. Fifth one, the smoothness of clay. So, how do you feel the smoothness of clay? Through the skin, by the skin, isn't it? So, here skin, the sense organ skin is used. Okay? Okay, children, have you all understood? Yes. The next one is answer the following. Answer the following questions. Okay. First question. Name 5 major organ systems in your body. Name 5 major organ systems in your body. We have learnt 7 organ systems in our body, isn't it? So, they have asked only 5 major organ systems. Okay. So, the answer is 5 major organ systems in our body are the skeletal system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system and the nervous system. Okay. I will read again. 5 major organ systems in our body are the skeletal system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system and the nervous system. Okay. So, out of 7 organ systems, you can name any of the 5 major organ systems. Okay. So, these are the 5 major organ systems in our body. Okay. So, second question is, why does the food you eat have to be digested? Why does the food you eat have to be digested? The answer is, the food that we eat has to be broken down into simple substances that the body can use to get energy. So, to get energy, the food we eat has to be digested. Okay? Because the food has to be digested because the body can use to get the energy. Okay? To get the energy, the food has to be digested. Okay? So, I will read the answer. The food that we eat has to be broken down into simple substances that the body can use to get energy. Okay. The third one. The brain is the most important organ in the body. Do you agree? Why? The brain is the most important organ in the body. Do you agree? Why? So, the answer is, the brain is the most important organ in the body because it controls all the other organs and instructs each part what to do. Yes, because it controls all the organs and it instructs each part what to do. Okay. So, I will read the answer. The brain is the most important organ in the body because it controls all the other organs and instructs each part what to do. Okay. So with that, we have completed the lesson and book back exercises, children. Okay. So read the lesson and go through the book back exercises. Okay. Study well. Okay, children. So thank you.